Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Before we get into this video, I want you to please like, comment, and subscribe. And welcome to the family. Wagwan with Dea, and we are gonna have a good time. Is it? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adrian, and today I want to welcome you all to my channel, of course. So as you can see, previously on my channel, I've now uploaded 7 videos. They're very all over the place. We have done a clothing haul. We have done a food review. We have also done the preview of season 12 of Real Housewives of Atlanta. And we have also done things that you need to know about Jamaica. During some research, I've really decided that I'm going to move into the area of like a mukbang style channel where I'm going to share recipes on Jamaican fusion cuisine along with taste tests. So if you're interested in this journey, I would love for you to join me on this journey. So as you can see now, so starting next week, we're going to start uploading a lot of different things. I had a restaurant for 2 years here in West Virginia. It's a Jamaican fusion restaurant featuring a lot of the recipes, including a lot of jerk, a lot of curries, a lot of those nice flavors. So we're definitely going to be crafting those for you, and these are very simple recipes. If you would like to see me create a under 10-minute coconut curry shrimp, I would love for you to comment that below. I don't eat shrimp, but obviously this would be a really great video, because guess what, we can say, well, trying shrimp for the first time. Shrimp is something that I've tried once. It's like the coconut crusted shrimp. Love the flavor of shrimp, but just don't like the texture of shrimp. So if you want to see me live eat coconut curry shrimp on camera, I would love for you to join me on this journey. So a little bit more detail. I'm 26. I was born and raised in Jamaica. I moved to the United States back in 2013, so I've been here for a little bit over 6 years now. This channel means a lot to me because I want to share my passion for food and Jamaican cuisine along with fusion to you guys. So if you can comment below recipes that you want to see more of. So this journey, as I said, I had the restaurant for 2 years. The market over here in West Virginia is a little bit different. So people like new things, but Jamaican food is far-fetched from what they're accustomed to. So we're going to talk about the struggles of operating a restaurant in an area where there's very limited cultural background. So this restaurant I operated for 2 years. It was profitable, of course, and we have had a number of positive feedback from a lot of these fusion dishes, like things that we call tropinon. Tropinon comes from the tropical flavors of the Caribbean. So we include pulled jerk chicken, which we start with rotisserie chicken. That's a very popular, fast item that people just go pick up at the grocery store, and we've completely transformed that to something amazing. So you have, for a tropinon, we have the traditional naan bread, which is from India. We top that with pulled jerk chicken, which is transformed from rotisserie chicken to jerk chicken. Red onion, jalapenos, and pineapple. And then we bake that with nice melted cheese, and we top that with some delicious homemade jerk sauce. If you want, we can share a simple recipe on our jerk sauce. We'll be doing so much more. We'll start from jerk chicken tacos to jerk spice beef quesadilla. So we'll be covering a lot of simple dishes that you can do under 20 minutes, delicious, fast, and convenient. So if you would like to join me on this journey, please comment below what you would love to see. And failure should never stop you from going after your goals. So the restaurant operated for 2 years, as I said prior, and it was great. I learned a lot, and if you wanted tips on what not to do when you have a restaurant and doing the proper research, I would love for you to comment that below too. So I want to welcome you all to the family. Welcome to the Simpson fam, the only fam here on YouTube where you can learn simple fusion recipes. I want to thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you. Bye. Love ya.